Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be reviewing and demonstrating the HTVRont Auto Heat Press, which is one of the hottest crafting tools in this Black Friday 2025. If you've been looking for a reliable, easy to use press for your DIY projects, for your small business or holiday gifts, this machine might just be what you're looking for. And yes, there are Black Friday specials. A link for that will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So without further ado, let's go check out the machine. So this is the HTVRont Auto Heat Press, and as you can see, the power button is blinking because it's plugged in. This is compact, sleek, and designed to make crafting stress-free. Some standard features include the automatic pressure adjustment, where once this is pushed inward, the machine will automatically press down. It heats up very fast when the temperature is evenly distributed. The safety features like the auto shut off. It works well with the HTV, sublimation, and more. Perfect for t-shirts, tote bags, personalized holiday gifts. And this is the ironing board, and once you push that in, the machine is ready to go. So now this is the power button, like I mentioned. Once you plug that in, it starts blinking, which indicates that it's powered on. This is a temperature gauge. Once this is pressed, it allows you to adjust the temperature, and the temperature values flashes. And to adjust the temperature, you use either the plus or the minus button. And to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you just long press for 2 seconds and that will change it. This is the time button. And when you press that, it flashes, and then you can immediately adjust the value of the time, either with the plus button or the minus button, and that will either go up or down. Short press that, any of those, and it decrease or increase by 5 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And this R over here is a start button that indicates when you want to start. Once you have put in all of your time settings and you indicate that you want to start, then you just press that. The R button or the start button will change to green, indicating that the machine is now ready. This is the mode button, which allows you to switch between 4 modes. The corresponding mode icons 1, 2, 3, and 4 will light up respectively on the digital screen. Once into a mode, the temperature and the time are fixed. Then you would press the mode button for 1.5 seconds to exit the mode. 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and again 15 seconds, and you keep going, and of course all of this information will be in your instruction manual. This is a custom button. Once you press the custom button, that customizes your settings, a maximum of 2 modes. You press the temperature or the time button and adjust the temperature time immediately with the plus or minus. So all of that information is ready and set for you to before you start using your auto heat press. And of course, like I mentioned, this is your order button. After you set the temperature and your time, you press the order button and that will automatically start the ironing process for you. And once the ironing board is pushed in place, the machine will press down on the project continuously without pressing in the start button. Press the order button again to start the exit mode. Since we've already gone through the product overview, now it's time for the demonstration. Alright, so I'm going to place, I'm just using this t-shirt that I've not been wearing for a while now, and I'm going to use that. So I'm just putting it on my board, making sure that it is even, and then I'm going to press it. Gonna press for 20 seconds. We'll just wait for that to press because you want to make sure that there are no wrinkles on your project before you apply your vinyl. So I'm just waiting for that to press, and now that's ready. Now the heating plate rises and now it's ready. So this is a HTV heat transfer vinyl that I had in my stash. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use a Teflon over this. You don't necessarily need the Teflon, but I'm going to use it anyway. So I'm just placing that over that just to be on the safe side. All right, we're going to push this in. And you want to make sure that you push it all the way to the back. And we'll wait for that 15 seconds to go all the way down. I'm loving this machine already. Now, like I said, if you are a beginner crafter or a small business and you're into t-shirts or pressing stuff, this is a great tool to have to start out with. And we're just gonna wait a few seconds for this to cool. Now this can be removed while it's still hot, but you want to make sure that you cool it because you don't want to burn yourself either. There it is. And this t-shirt I don't wear often, but I love what the message says. Bloom where you are planted. There you have it, friends. Now here we have our finished product. Crisp, vibrant, and ready to wear. I love how it went on. You can't even tell the difference. It seems like it was meant to be on there. And I love the design too. The design is perfect for this little shirt. Black on top of white. Perfect. Ready to wear. It's a ready to wear gift, but I've already been wearing it. But with this on it, it's even more perfect. And that's why crafters love this machine. It's budget friendly. It's very easy to use. The Auto Heat Press, very easy to use. And it's a quick startup. If you are looking to start your small business to do t-shirts and stuff, tote bags, towels, this is the best thing to use. And there are a lot of ready-made transfers that you can purchase. This is what I purchased. I didn't actually design and create this. I just purchased it. I think I purchased it on Amazon. Yes, I was doing some pillowcases and tote bags, and I purchased this, but just did not get to use it at the time. And here is the best part. HTVRont is offering Black Friday specials. So you can get that link. That link for Amazon is in my description box below. And if you're looking for supplies, I will also link the HTVRont website that you can check out their vinyls. You can check out their other tools that are available. I will link that down below for you as well. But you can purchase this machine on Amazon. So check out the link down below and let me know what you think about this new tool that I have in my office. Scripture for today, Jeremiah 29 verse 11 and 12. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Then you will call on me and pray to me, and I will listen to you. Thank you for watching my review and demonstration of the HTVRont Auto Heat Press. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the description box below for that link to purchase with the special Black Friday discount. And if you would like to see other product reviews, I did one on Thursday. You can check that one right here. Or other product reviews, watch this playlist. And until my next one, stay safe, my friends, and I'll catch you then. Bye.